Hey friends, if you wish to remove Map Network Drive context menu item on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So, search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and go to the Registry Editor window. Now go to this path, HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version and Policies. In the right pane, we will create a key named Explorer. Okay. So right click on policies and select a new key, name it Explorer. The next one is the dword entry. So this is no net connect disconnect. Right click in the open space, new dword 32-bit value, no net disconnect, and change the value data to 1. Double click on it, change the value data to 1 and click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.